Welcome to our lesson today. My name is Purity Anzelimo and our topic is differentiation. Differentiation. That's our topic. I'd like you to remember the following, whereby when we were looking at the equations of tangents and normals to a curve. To get the equations of the tangents and the normals, remember we said we require to have the gradient, we also require to have a point, and we also require to have an imaginary point. With this, one is able to get the equation of the tangent or of the normal to a curve. So the gradient, when you have the gradient m, let's say you have 2, you have the point, let's say 1, -1, and you have the imaginary point x, y, then you can use the formula whereby gradient is given by change in y all over change in x to get the equation of the tangent and the equation of the normal to a curve. Then remember, we also say that when we have a tangent, if I have a curve and there is a tangent here, if this is my tangent, if I draw a line that is passing through the same point and perpendicular to the tangent, this line is referred to as the normal. And we say that the gradient of the normal multiplied by the gradient of the tangent is equal to -1, because the product of the gradient of two perpendicular lines is equal to -1. So you need to have that in mind so that you're in a position to get the equation of the normals and the equations of the tangents.